What's the big deal about making a corporate video? Isn't this so simple now that one could simply use their smartphone, shoot a few scenes, upload them and be done? Well, yeah, that might be true to some. However, when your career and company's continued existence is at stake, we need to be a bit more thorough in our approach. While the smartphone example might be valid for personal productions, we know that creating a corporate video is a much more involved process than that. Simply because those videos can actually make or break companies. We have to be sure that the videos we produce adhere to our branding guidelines and that they're on message and targeted at the right people. These are the concepts that I will be talking about in this practical video production course. A course that I've put together specifically for corporate communications and marketing executives. Hello, my name is Mahmoud al-Yousif. I'm a corporate and documentary video producer and director and have been doing so happily for the last 15 years. I own and operate Arabia Video, a boutique video production house based in Bahrain with local and international clientele. We specialize in corporate videos spanning the range from television commercials all the way through to long-form documentaries. I've had the privilege of producing and directing many genres of videos in various countries around the world, from Seoul in South Korea through to New York and Moscow all the way down to Johannesburg, with many countries in between, obviously. What I'm going to reveal to you in this course are some of the secrets of professional video production that will save you time, effort, and money. You will also learn proven ways that ensure the repeatable success of your video projects. While no previous video making experience is necessary to make the best of this course, having some experience in video production will be helpful. And the concepts I will be discussing in this course are specific to corporate communications videos. However, they can be applied to many other video projects too. This course contains 8 modules that naturally follow the video production cycle. These are introduction, the creative brief, what this is about and how to fill it in, the script and how to break it down, preparing to shoot, pre-production, production, post-production, and finally, distribution and wrapping up. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create videos with the equipment you already have. Understand the phases that every video production goes through, and specify and scope a corporate video project from conception all the way to delivery, as well as formulate a strategy you need to put in place to ensure the repeatable success of your video production. I look forward to meeting you inside the self-paced course and seeing the results of your efforts. Until then, make it a great day.